You know, sometimes you just need to do things the old-fashioned way and not take a shortcut. I learned this the hard way. So, I had grand plans of using my Cuisinart to chop up the fish for my salmon burger, which I'm about to do. But I dropped it and broke it, and I thought, let me try the blender.
Yesterday.
Once again, I would be using my Cuisinart, but I don't have it. So this is an experiment. We're gonna put half of the salmon in here to get it started. I hope this works.
No, no.
Don't do it. It doesn't work. It makes fish paste. I failed. So I'm doing this by hand, cutting it up really fine, and I had made little strips, and I'm just going in there. And there's no way I can make fish paste this way, because I have complete control over this, so it's good. You want this to be pretty fine, because you know, you want even bites. You know me, I'm all about even bites. So I got my fish. It's not fish paste. Yay. I'm gonna add in the salt, pepper, the shallot, some red onion, a little bit of dill, Italian parsley, a little Dijon mustard, and some fresh lemon juice. And I'm just gonna mix that together. And then to bind it all together, we're gonna use the panko. I like panko, especially for this, because you get that crunch, which is great. Let's head over to the stove and cook these up. You can make these full size, but I'm using little brioche buns for these, which I'll show you in a second. So these cute little things are gonna hold these patties. So you're gonna want a little sauce to go with that. So we're gonna mix up a quick little yogurt sauce. I have 2% yogurt, more Dijon mustard, Italian parsley. Did I just say parsley? I'm sorry, I meant dill. We all make mistakes. Dill. Pepper. Salt. Shallot. Fresh lemon zest. And a little bit of fresh lemon juice. And just give that a stir. And we're gonna put that on there. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna add a little red leaf lettuce. Put the top on. And there you have it. They're so cute. So like I said, you can go ahead and make these the normal size with a regular hamburger bun, but I just think this is a little bit more special. But do not put it in the blender. You don't want to fail like I did, but this is good. Enjoy. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And for more recipes or just what's going on An Appetizing Life, go to anappetizinglife.com. I'll see you guys later. Bye.